like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know. Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new and for my returning kin folks, oh what's up? So you guys, if this isn't your very first time here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. Now you guys, we are moving pretty quickly. We just got back from the store, which I did like a little montage on the grocery store, so y'all got to see that. I did put the groceries away already, but y'all, I can't get the lighting to just, come on, give me something good, because dang, like it's nice outside, but it's like so dark in the back of my house. But anyways, you guys, but yeah, like I was saying, you guys, oh, the lighting be so good up here in my room. That's why I be wanting to film up here, because the lighting be so good. But anyways, like I was saying, y'all, we are getting ready to head to the hair salon, and she is getting ready to do something with our hair. I don't know what we are going to do, but we are going to do something. So, I'm out of breath because y'all should see me run up those stairs. But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get out of here. Our ride should be here any minute so that we can go ahead and get this hair done. And then, yeah. Now, I will say, I think that I do have like a little date going on tonight. So, I'm excited to get my hair done for that. But, yeah, I may or may not see y'all after I get my hair done. I don't know. It depends on what time it's looking like. I'll let y'all know. But, yeah, those are the current vibes. So, let's go ahead and get out of here. So the lighting is really bad in my bathroom, and apparently some of my camera skills, I don't know. But y'all, we are getting ready to go on a movie date, so I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know I'm loving my hair, loving the bob. We'll talk about it tonight when I get back from the little movie date, but for right now, let's go and see Bad Boys. What is it, 2, 3? I don't know. Let's go. Well, let's go. Y'all, we going on the date. Let's go. y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, you guys. So we in my closet. It looks a mess, and the lighting in the closet isn't the best. Oh, it's better there. Okay. Anyways, guys. So yeah, good morning, y'all. We went on a date last night. We went on a little movie date to go see Bad Boys, and it was good. First of all, the movie is a 10 out of 10, okay? And the date was a 10 out of 10. It was really, really nice. I think I am getting ready to go and film a little makeup and chit chat, just like my little first Hinge date. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe so that y'all can go and check out that makeup and chit chat, learn something, hear something, be in my business, whatever. But yeah, y'all, it was really, really nice. I actually hope that him and I go on a second date because it was cool. So, and I don't really be giving nobody no chances like that. So, like, that's nice. That's nice. Especially for like a first Hinge date too. Like, that's really nice. But anyways, yeah, so yeah, the date went really nice. It was smooth. Dang, it's like I want to tell y'all what happened at the date, but I also don't want to tell y'all, and I just want to have y'all go and watch the makeup and chit chat because I am getting ready to go and work so hard to put that out. But aside from the date, y'all, I cut my hair, okay? I was not expecting to go that short. When she cut it initially, she like just cut off all of the dead ends, and I just looked in the mirror and I was like, girl, cut more. Cut more, more. And she did, and yeah, we came out with that bob. So I really hope that y'all like it. I'm feeling it. I liked it. I got it tied up right now, just so that my edges can do its thing by staying laid, so that I can go and film this makeup and chit chat like I said I wanted to do. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, I'm excited. Like, I just feel like cutting my hair really like symbolizes, a new beginning. Like, I'm getting ready to be 32 next month in July. Woo woo, Leo season. So I'm excited about that. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday, but I just know that I just wanted to let go of any and everything. Dead hair, dead people, like clothes, everything. So eventually we are going to do like a little closet clean out. But I'm gonna save that for a different day, different vlog. But yeah, it's just the beginning. So me cutting my hair, me putting myself out there, starting the date again and all of that, like I'm feeling good. So I'm excited to see where it goes and stuff like that. But anyways, you guys, like I said, your girl is getting ready to go and film. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up here. If y'all can, don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with me, because more vlogs and more content is on the way. But until next time, my peace and love be multiplied, and I'll see y'all in my next vlog.
You bad like that, but I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.